Well, hi there. I am so happy that we get to spend some time together today. I can't even begin to tell you how much I've been looking forward to getting to see you and spend some time with you. Today, we're going to learn about electric circuits, and we're going to do that with our brand new Introduction to Electric Circuits kit. Now, if you don't have one of these kits, I also on our website have some instructions for how you can work to put together your own little kit from scratch yourself, which can also be pretty cool. But today we're going to talk about the contents of this Introduction to Electric Circuits kit, and we're going to work with that to get some hands-on practice with electricity. This is going to be fun. So the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that you have all the parts in your kit. If you open up your kit, you're going to find that there's a set of instructions. And right on the back, there's a section that has a little checklist for you to make sure. Instructions first, and then if we open this up, we'll see there's a battery holder. There's a battery that is in plastic, and you always want to make sure when you're done with your battery that you put it back into the plastic bag, okay? That'll help it to last longer, and it'll keep you from getting into trouble with, the sides creating a little circuit and accidentally warming things up. And you'll have a little bag of conductors and insulators. These will vary. Not all of these have exactly the same thing, but there'll be a few things in this little bag. And then you're going to see that you have 4 wires. And the wires may be different colors, they may be different kinds, but you'll have 4 of them. Usually 2 of them are going to be longer than the other 2. And these have alligator clips on them. See? Open and close them like little alligators. So there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. Then you want to be very careful not to throw this out. This looks like just a ball of paper, but it's not. If you open it up, it has inside 2 bulbs in bulb holders. Some people also call these lamps, so you might see or hear somebody use that word, but you'll have 2 of these. The light bulbs or the lamps might be in there, they might not. If they're not, you just have to put them in, but you will have 2 of these. Oops. And that's what you can expect to see in the kit. So let's get started.